Hi, Zan here. Today we're talking about chocolate drink. So this is one of the original ideal protein foods. So I've had my clinic since 2011. So if you're watching this 2025, that's 14 years. And it is creamy, smooth, not too sweet from my perspective. And it's delicious at room temperature, it's delicious cold, and it's delicious warmed up. Um, I'm old school. I like to just put it in a pot and whisk it. And I sometimes even add a little cinnamon when I want to change it up. I find it perfect for a support for breakfast if I don't feel like eggs. I also find it really useful at the end of the day when I'm like, okay, I didn't eat as much protein as I wanted. Being that we work with macros, so wanted being personally, my goal is 6 ideal protein servings a day, sometimes more when I'm working out. So big part of this is listening to your body, having tools to support you. Of course, we want real whole foods always. Cottage cheese, edamame beans, steak, all these foods. Sometimes people are like, oh, I don't do red meat anymore. I understand there's plant-based and discussion all over it, but I just don't think you can go wrong when you're eating real food, like simple whole food. So this to me is a tool. I must admit, when I did the program 15 years ago, I was like, I'm going to use these products and then I'm never using them again. I still use them because they're handy. Have they been a crutch sometimes? Absolutely. I'm like, oh, I'm not cooking enough. You kind of go through phases, but I like having this. I travel with it. If you're somewhere and that's very high carb breakfast, this makes it really easy to add some protein to your breakfast. So there you go, the chocolate smoothie. It's low calorie, so this is not for getting a ton of calories. It's for getting a solid 18 grams of protein that you can absorb, high quality, delicious, works for a sweet tooth as well, right? Sometimes there's a sweet tooth. And this is so nurturing for that because it doesn't take you on the cycle of eating like a piece of cake. For me personally, a piece of cake just triggers a whole set of carb cravings. So yeah, different tools, always about the coaching and looking at how you're using things, how to best support you, how to have the majority of your food intake be whole foods, and enjoy, have pleasure. And you can buy this online at our store. We ship for free, and happy to help you choose other products. If you're looking for advice, reach out to us, of course. You can text or email us or phone us. We're available. Bye. vitalbody.ca